Hey everyone, I'm Tyler from FlexArm, and today I've got a quick service tip to share with you. Recently, a customer sent in their GH60 hydraulic arm for repair. They were experiencing issues with the tap slipping or gulling during operations, leading to inconsistent threads. Upon opening the gearbox, we discovered that some of the gears were stripped inside. The issue came about when switching gears, as the selector wasn't fully in position during startup. If you have any of our FlexArms with a gearbox, one thing you can do to help extend the life of your arm is to make sure to press the activation button to securely lock it into first or second gear whenever you're switching between them. I hope this helps. If you're facing any issues or have any general maintenance questions about your tapping arm, feel free to reach out to our service department, or you can drop a comment below and we'll be more than happy to assist you. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channels for more awesome content.